You are watching Travel World Online.
News highlights of the day. Nepal promotes LGBT-friendly tourism with first International Rainbow Conference. Tourism revival ignites surge in sales of Kashmir's handicrafts. UN General Assembly hosts Tourism for Sustainable Development event. Thailand, Kazakhstan agree on visa waiver deal to boost tourism. Foreign tourists make up for shortfall in domestic visitors inflow to Kerala. IndiGo bolsters connectivity from Chennai with direct flights to Durgapur and Bangkok. News in details. The first International Rainbow Tourism Conference opened in Kathmandu on Saturday last week, with Nepal offering itself as a safe and respectful destination in South Asia for the sexual minority community. With the revival of tourism in the valley, the region's handicrafts industry is experiencing a notable surge, signaling promising economic recovery and cultural resurgence. This revival in tourism has not only brought a sense of hope to local businesses, but has also provided a significant impetus to the handicrafts sector, which has long been a cornerstone of Kashmir's economy, reported Rising Kashmir. The United Nations General Assembly recently held a second thematic event focused on tourism and the sector's critical role in advancing sustainable development and resilience. Organized by the President of the General Assembly in collaboration with UN Tourism, the event was held at the UN headquarters within the framework of Sustainability Week.
So I think hats off to the team and hats off to Anilji for thinking about it and bringing it to fruition. And I think now the success will depend upon how more of us use it and leverage it for our own growth. And I think that will result in a very widespread engagement of content on the platform, and I think that's what will take us place.
Download Travel Business app. Thailand will sign a permanent bilateral visa waiver agreement with Kazakhstan this week, as the Southeast Asian country looks to lift foreign tourist arrivals back to pre-COVID levels. Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin's cabinet approved the visa exemption recently, which will be signed during Kazakhstan Foreign Minister Murat Nurtlu's visit to Bangkok on 23 April, Thai government spokesman Chai Wachronke told reporters last week. Even as foreign tourists keep trickling into Kerala, defying the unusually sultry weather this summer, the inflow of domestic tourists has reduced. IndiGo has announced direct flights between Chennai Durgapur, starting from 16 May 2024, and is resuming operations between Chennai Bangkok from 15 May 2024, respectively. These direct routes will boost domestic and international connectivity from the capital city of Tamil Nadu.
You are watching Travel World Online.